Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Eric Olugbemi. I've been the one posting videos on circle geometry. Today I just want to put you through how to make a very important instructional materials that you can use to teach circle geometry. Don't forget to click the like button or subscribe. This is the final product of what I intend to show you today. What we have here is wood. This is what my wife used to bake a cake. I decided to use it for this particular video. Then we also have office pins. Then we have rubber bands nicely stuck here to, for easy keeps. Now what do you do? First you need to trace this circle out. I use the plate to do this. Then you start fixing each of these pins on the circumference. You can combine the colors the way I did so that it looks attractive to your students. Then to get the center, you need to do some bisection and then locate the center. Now, how do you use this to teach? If you want to, for instance, demonstrate angle at center being equal to 2 times angle at circumference, you may need to get one of these colored rubber bands and form an angle there at center. You can see that angle came from this circumference, this arc. Then on the same arc, using the same arc, form an angle at the circumference. So your student can clearly see that this angle at center being sustained by the arc here is equal to 2 times the angle at circumference. And it doesn't have to be like this. Sorry for that. It can be like this. It can be like this. It can be like this, and this will be a very good instructional material for you to teach circle geometry. I hope you try this at home and enjoy teaching circle geometry. Thank you.